Hello everyone, welcome back to MSI Analytics. Today, we are exploring an incredible production dashboard that streamlines operations and provides actionable insights for decision making. This dashboard is designed to be a modern solution for tracking production performance. It's especially useful for identifying inefficiencies, managing cost, and keeping your team aligned on key performance metrics. So, how is this dashboard useful? It lets you track key metrics like revenue, cost, profits, which are displayed upfront, and they help stakeholders make quick decisions. Apart from that, you can also improve your cost management. Breakdowns of expenses like labor and material ensure better budget allocation. You can also optimize production output. This dashboard also highlights trends in daily production in cities with high labor cost. And this dashboard also supports forecasting, like trends in revenue and production performance provide valuable insights for planning. So now let's dive into each of the visual. First of all, we have some of the KPIs, which are revenue, total cost, profit and loss, quantity produced, cost per unit, and labor cost. These KPIs give a snapshot of the overall performance, highlighting variances compared to the previous month. For example, the negative profit here shows where action is needed. Moving forward, we have cost breakdown. This section helps pinpoint which cost category has the most impact. For example, labor costs are 27.1%, providing a clear focus for cost saving strategies. After that, we have a bar chart for daily units produced. This visual shows daily production trends, identifying peak days and possible bottlenecks. Managers can use this to balance workloads. After that, we have revenue by date. This trend line highlights revenue patterns, helping businesses predict future sales and align production schedules. And then we have a radar chart for top 5 cities by labor cost. This identifies cities with the highest labor cost, such as Seattle, enabling targeted cost optimization in various locations. And last but not the least, we have a product selector. By this, users can analyze metrics for specific products like Pro Pouch, Flex Wrap, and many more. And they can customize the dashboard to focus on individual product performance. And that's how this production dashboard solves multiple business problems efficiently. If you want to learn how to build dashboards like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MSI Analytics. See you in the next video.